The purpose of this video is to discuss the abortion debate. The history of abortion can be traced back to the 1820s and 1830s when the first statutes regulating abortion were passed, forbidding abortion after the 4th month of pregnancy. By the early 1900s, most of the abortions in the United States had been completely outlawed, primarily through the efforts of the physicians, legislators, and the American Medical Association. In the late 1920s, statistics say 15,000 women a year died from abortions. By 1965, all 50 states had banned abortion. Some states made exceptions based on cases of rape or incest, deformation of the fetus, or when the life of the mother was threatened. 1973 was a turning point in the history of abortion. The landmark case Roe v. Wade declared abortion a fundamental right under the U.S. Constitution, therefore making all laws restricting abortion unconstitutional. The limitation on abortion from the Roe v. Wade decision was allowing women to abort a pregnancy up to the point at which the fetus becomes viable, meaning when it could live outside the woman's body. The outcome of Roe v. Wade prompted the national debate, which still continues today, of pro-choice versus pro-life. Pro-choice advocates fight to keep abortion legal, while pro-life advocates fight to stop abortion. A poll done on Roe v. Wade in October 2007 asked whether people favor or oppose the U.S. Supreme Court decision making abortions up to 3 months of pregnancy legal. 56% favored, while 40% opposed. This concludes that a majority are favoring the pro-choice side of the debate. I support a woman's right to choose. The pro-choice view is defined as favoring a woman's right to have complete control over her fertility and the choice to continue or terminate a pregnancy. So why should women have the right to choose? There are many factors to consider. Having a child is a personal choice which affects a woman's body, personal health, and their future. Nearly all abortions take place in the first trimester, when a fetus cannot exist independent of the mother. At this point, its health depends on her health. Abortion is a safe medical procedure. Medical abortions have less than a 0.05% risk of serious complications. How can someone else decide what's best for a woman? In regards to the mental well-being of a woman, how could we let someone else decide what's more traumatic to the woman, abortion or childbirth, and the consequences and repercussions she may not be ready or able to handle? Especially in the case of rape or incest, forcing a woman to bear a child that is a result of a violent act could cause further harm to the victim. Each year, 1 million teenagers become pregnant, and 78% of these pregnancies are unintended. Of teenage women who become pregnant, about 29% choose to have an abortion rather than bear a child. Teenagers who become mothers have grim prospects for the future. They are much more likely than other women to drop out of school, receive inadequate prenatal care, and rely on public assistance to raise a child, in addition to developing other health problems. Some people are fighting for restrictive laws on teen abortion. Restrictive laws endanger teens' health by inhibiting them from seeking safe medical care during pregnancy and could possibly lead to more illegal abortions. The same is true for any woman whose right to choose is taken away. It is estimated that in the years before 1973, 1.2 million U.S. women resorted to illegal abortion each year, and that botched illegal abortions caused as many as 5,000 annual deaths. Today, it is estimated that each year, 42 million women worldwide obtain abortion services to end unplanned pregnancies, with approximately 20 million of them obtaining illegal abortions. According to the World Health Organization, as many as 70,000 of the approximate 600,000 pregnancy-related deaths occurring annually are from unsafe abortions. Why would we want to force women to seek unsafe abortions that can harm their health? Protect women's health and their futures. Keep abortion legal for all women.